Having 404 pages show up across your Shopify store is inevitable. It's going to happen, but that doesn't mean you have to settle for the default 404 page design, which leaves a lot to be desired. With the help of AI tools, it is easier than ever to customize your 404 page to provide useful links and information for your website visitors to get them where they want to go. And most importantly, for you to avoid missing out on more sales simply due to a bad user experience. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can effectively customize your 404 page in Shopify, what elements it should include, and how to get AI to do all of the heavy lifting for you. Okay, so the whole reason we want to create a custom 404 page in the first place is just because the default 404 page is pretty basic. I mean, here's an example. Typically, the 404 page in Shopify will just link to the homepage, and that's it, which and has a message like, sorry, the page hasn't been found. Go to the homepage if you want. But it doesn't really give any like branded messaging, any helpful links to products, collections, any other resources really. And just gives signals that, hey, your site may just not be well taken care of. So adding the custom 404 page just provides better signals, like better user experience, won't scare people off. Like if they happen to land on a broken link on your site, it's just better experience and can help you to capture more sales that you might have missed out on. So just providing branded messaging if you want, like depends really how cute you want to get with it, how much time you want to spend to customize it. But really, just want to encourage your visitors to stay on your site, keep poking around until they find the products that they're looking for. And of course, prevention's always the best medicine. So you still want to actively prevent 404 pages on your site. Like make sure all your internal links, everything's copied and pasted correctly, no errors that way. And then in order to customize your 404 page, really you just need to find the 404.liquid template in your theme's code. So that's how we can actually get started to do this. So just under online store, themes within Shopify, click three dots at the top, edit code. And since I'm already had this opened recently, opens directly to this. But if not, just filter, search for 404, should pop up under templates. And this is, the 404, the code that controls your 404 page, pretty much. And that's really how you can find it. And then really the items that you want to consider adding. So the different elements that will just improve your 404 page for better user experience, just giving better navigation options instead of just linking to the homepage, including a search bar directly in there. Instead of having to make them like click around to find it in your main menu, find search, just put it right there so they can just keep seamlessly searching for what they're looking for. Even link to your best-selling products, top collections, the most popular ones that most people end up buying anyway. So you can just send them directly there. Hey, if they land on a broken page, send them there. FAQs helpful as well, like shipping policy, things like that, or where do you ship to? Either like embedding those FAQs directly or including a link to your FAQ page. And you can make branded messaging. You can go as crazy as you want with it. Really just depends how much effort you want to put into it. So here's a couple examples. GitHub. So they got pretty cute with the little Star Wars meme here, not the page you're looking for, and just have a search bar. Which doesn't give a ton of options. And yes, it's an e-commerce store, but just wanted to show an example here. Also, so Gymshark is a big fitness brand. So they just include links like, hey, we can't find this page, 404, so that people know, hey, this is a broken page. Don't know what happened. So maybe, and then add a little question here. And then basically just send people either to the men's or women's collections. And then from there, visitors can shop, like find shoes or whatever types of products they're looking for. Basically just give them option to shop instead of sending them like the blog post or less valuable pages. So just to their top level collection pages there for men and women. So that's different options that you can consider. And of course, they have a big background image here. This one as well. And this is possible with Shopify as well if you want, or if you want to just have the same menu structure and everything. So here's an example. So we still have like the same menu, all the different header and footer are the same. It's just the content of the actual 404 page is different. So that's what I'm going to be focusing on here. If you want to take the next step, go for it. Knock yourself out. To just have, you want to have like without a menu, just send them exactly where you want visitors to go to. That is an option. I want to point that out. So yeah, customizing your 404 page with AI, definitely recommend using AI to help with this because your four page is just code. There's not really a drag and drop, at least not directly here with Shopify without using other apps or something in order to do that, like using a more user friendly option. So it's just code here. So yeah, not fun to update manually. And really, what you want to do, recommend using Claude.ai for this. Really good option. Of course, you can try ChatGPT or whichever other AI tool of choice. And really, all you need to do is just say, hey, I want to customize the 404 page of my Shopify store. And here is the current 404.liquid file. So you'll just want to copy and paste whatever your current file is in here. So just come here, select all, Command A, Control A, copy it, add that to the bottom of the prompt. And then at the bottom, then you tell it exactly what you want. So, hey, I want to update this page in order to direct people to my main collection, like collection of, or a page with all the collections listed, FAQ, ring sizing guide, other resources, add a search bar as well. So links to the homepage. So keep that in. So basically get as detailed as you want with it. See what it comes back with. And really it's just a matter of following this like iterative process of giving the AI instructions what you want, updating your code. So just pasting things back into the 404.liquid file, saving your changes, reloading your 404 page, seeing how it looks, and then giving the AI feedback. Hey, like you change this heading, you can change font sizes, colors. Like I mentioned, you can go as crazy as you want with this. And there's some of those pages I mentioned. This was one of those, like just as like inspiration if you want. But still, I wouldn't recommend spending a ton of time on this. It's not going to give you a huge ROI, but still, it's worth putting in this effort just to show that your store is active. You care about the user experience. You want people to find what they're looking for easily. So it's worth adding in, spending a few minutes to just customize this, make it a bit better. So here, still nothing too crazy what I ended up doing for this site. So you can see 404 and you can see the before and after basically. So here, before it's just, literally just a link to the homepage. Then after following this process, ended up with the 404 page here. So at least here, like right in someone's face. So you can also check how it looks on mobile. That's important. That's the wrong link. Open up, inspect, right click. You can change screen size. So here, say there's like a little search bar up here, and then there is the same menu, but still it's kind of hidden, not as obvious. So if you just have like someone's clicking around on your store and they find this page, at least they can say like, hey, I'm looking for, I want to find, whatever certain size, color, type of products that you sell. And then just make it obvious here. Okay, we also still have the homepage link, and we also linked to main collections, sizing guide, FAQ. Basically, you can look at your highest traffic pages in Google Analytics or whatever analytics tool you use. That's actually helpful to see where people end up on your site anyways. And because the odds are that these people that find your 404 pages will also be interested in those pages. So just make it as easy as possible, basically, for someone to just pick back up and searching around your store. So here's, basically just what I ended up with. And here's even the full conversation with Claude. So it's the exact prompt that was in the other document there that it showed you. So this was the 404.liquid file before, gave the instructions, and then it gave the code. So all I did was just copy this full code. So you can see, added in a lot more elements. Here, it even gave an explanation of what was going on. So just to give information. So what I did, copied that, updated everything, and then just gave it feedback. So hey, remove this text, just change the anchor to homepage just to make that clear. And then it gives process everything, give you another update. updated code to copy and paste. And yeah, really it's just a matter of following that process. And yeah, you can just leverage AI as much as you want in order to make this 404 page as useful as possible. And yeah, that's really it. So yeah, I would recommend at least adding something like this, adding a search bar, keep the link to your homepage. You can add a custom message as well, which here the custom message is still like not even proper page you are looking can't be found. So something messed up there. That's something I can update as well. So yeah, play around with it, change colors, fonts as you wish. And yeah, I would recommend at least linking to your main collection page with all your main products, FAQ. And then this way, yeah, just provide a better experience for your store. And yeah, that really does it for this video. So that's how and why you'll want to customize your 404 page in Shopify. And this was just one slide from my full technical SEO guide. If you want the full 90 plus page technical SEO for Shopify training, click the first link in the description for that. If this was helpful and saved you time, please give this video a like. Consider subscribing as well for more Shopify SEO tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.